primary colors are the fundamental tones in color theory from which all other colors can be created. There are two main primary color systems, additive and subtractive, each used in different contexts such as digital screens or painting and printing. In the additive system, the RGB, the primary colors are red, green, and blue, RGB. This system is used in devices that emit light, such as computer screens, televisions, and digital cameras. When we combine the primary colors of the additive system, we get the following colors. Red plus green equals yellow. The combination of red and green light results in yellow. This is a classic example of how primary light colors add up to create a secondary color. Red plus blue produces magenta. Mixing red light with blue creates magenta, a vibrant color, not commonly found in nature. Green plus blue equals cyan. When green and blue light combine, the result is cyan, a color reminiscent of the light blue of the sea. When the three primary light colors, red, green, and blue, are combined in equal intensities, the result is white light. This phenomenon is the basis of color reproduction on digital screens, where pixels emit different intensities of these three colors to create the full image. In the subtractive system, the CMY, used primarily in painting, printing, and other physical media, the primary colors are cyan, magenta, and yellow, CMY. This system is based on the absorption, or subtraction of light. Let's look at their combinations. Cyan plus magenta produces blue. The combination of cyan and magenta absorbs the red and green components of light, leaving blue visible. Cyan plus yellow equals green. When cyan and yellow are mixed, they absorb the red and blue components, resulting in green. Magenta plus yellow produces red. The mixture of magenta and yellow absorbs the green and blue components of light, leaving red. When all three subtractive primary colors are combined in equal proportions, the result is a color close to black, as all colors of light are absorbed. However, in practical printing, a fourth color, black, K, is usually added, forming the CMYK system, to achieve a deeper black and save ink. Understanding these color systems and their combinations is essential for many disciplines, such as graphic design, photography, painting, and printing, as it allows for accurate color reproduction and the creation of desired visual effects.
But wait, I'm sorry. I thought the primary colors were red, yellow, and blue.
Well, I understand the confusion. The traditional primary colors we learn in school for painting are indeed red, blue, and yellow. This system is widely used in the arts and is known as the RYB color model. What means red, yellow, blue? Let me explain this model and its combinations, as well as the difference between it and the CMY, CMYK models I mentioned earlier. In the traditional system, the RYB color model, the primary colors are red, yellow, blue. These colors are called primary because they cannot be created by mixing other colors. The direct combination of these primary colors produces secondary colors. Red plus yellow produces orange. Mixing red and yellow produces orange, a warm and vibrant color. Red plus blue equals purple. When red is combined with blue, the result is purple, a deep and rich color. Yellow plus blue produces green. The combination of yellow and blue creates green, a color that is very common in nature. In addition to these basic combinations, further mixing and variations in the proportions of these primary colors can create a wide range of other colors, resulting in the complete palette used in painting and art. so we can understand the difference between the RYB and the CMYK models. The RYB system, red, yellow and blue, is traditionally used in painting and visual arts. It is intuitive and easy to use for manual mixing of paints and pigments. However, it is not the most scientifically accurate model for light-based color mixing. This CMYK model, cyan, magenta, yellow, and cyan, magenta, yellow, black, is primarily used in printing and processes where light absorption is crucial. It is based on color subtraction and is more suitable for precise reproduction of printed colors. Adding black K helps achieve a deeper black and save ink. Both systems are valid within their contexts. The RYB system is excellent for artistic and pedagogical use, where intuition and simplicity are important. On the other hand, the CMYK system is essential for precision in printing and other technical applications where exact color reproduction is needed. In summary, while the RYB model is great for paint mixing and is widely taught in the arts, the CMYK model is crucial for printing and other technical processes that depend on the absorption and reflection of light. Both have their own applications and importance, depending on the context in which they are used.
We hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked our content, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you the best in beauty and its diverse facets. Best wishes to all of you, and we'll see you next time.
Elevate your artistic journey. We suggest you a product now available for purchase. Apply the color concepts from our video using this expertly designed tool. Perfect for fine arts enthusiasts. It helps develop drawing and painting skills with simple materials. Created by a professional artist, it's ideal for inspiration and practice. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description below to learn more.